Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute users on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of all, open up the Threads app. Go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Now click on the menu option in the top right corner. Here you can see a list of options. Click on the privacy option. Here you'll have to click on the muted option. Here you can see the unmute button. Now simply press the button in order to unmute the user. And that is how you can simply unmute a user on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.